Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Nettie and I am back with another video. So today I'm going to be customizing a Temu wig. So I'm just opening the package here. Comes with a wig cap. It also have some lashes in it. So it is a highlighted wig and it's supposed to be 26 inches, but you know, you can look and see that this is not 26 inches. It's also supposed to be a 13x4 frontal, but it's actually a 13x6. That's the inside of the wig. It comes with an adjustable elastic band and 4 combs. So I'm just going to go ahead and bleach the knots and wash the wig, and then I'll be back to style it. All right, so now it's a couple days later and I bleached the knots and I also, washed and conditioned the hair. And here I'm just making a part and I'm going to start to pluck this unit. Now, you guys know that I really don't work with frontal units. I normally just work with closures, but if you guys buy like these frontal wigs, the pre-made wigs, I can customize them. I also put pre-made wigs on my website now. So instead of just custom wigs, you can also purchase pre-made wigs and you can opt in for a 13x4 or a 13x6 frontal and I will customize it. So this hair wasn't too bad, besides the fact that they don't send you what you order, because this is definitely not a 26-inch unit. It's more like maybe 20 inches. My 26-inch units are extremely long. Like I just did a 22-inch unit and it was like way longer than this. So, I guess depending on the vendor that you purchase from on these sites, be prepared to not get exactly what you ordered. Because not only, I also did another wig from Shein around the same time that I did this wig, and it was the same thing. Like it wasn't true to length. The package said like 20 inches and it was like a 14-inch wig. So now I'm just gonna start plucking this wig. So I'm just still going in and I'm just plucking, trying to get it to look natural. The lace wasn't that bad, actually. It bleached, not bleached pretty well. It wasn't that bad. And the plucking was pretty easy to pluck. I did have to pluck a bit, but it wasn't too bad. So I'm at the top and I'm just still plucking. I'm gonna pluck the other side off camera. And then I'll be back to do the baby hairs. So I added the customization service back to my website. So you can go on there and order it. The service is $75. You can send me your wigs from Amazon and Temu and Shein, and I will customize it, bleach the knots, and wash and condition and style it. The lace frontal also had like a lot of short hairs on the top. So I made sure to go in with the hot comb and everything with the wax stick just to lay it down flat. So now that the hair is straightened, I'm gonna go ahead and make those layers in the front. I'm gonna start with my razor comb, and then I'm gonna go in with my scissors like I normally do. All right, so this wig is done. I'm just gonna lay some foaming lotion on the top just to tame those baby hairs some more. And this is how she came out. That's me just being silly. I don't know what I was listening to, I forgot, but I was jamming. And I'm just gonna get ready to ship her. I also had another wig from Shein that I was gonna do right after this. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave your girl a like, a comment. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.